Hey yo! On Sunday, the 2nd of September, it's all aboard the Don FM boat party. We're bringing you 2 floors of the best old and new Don DJs and MCs, playing all your favourite house, garage, jungle and drum and bass classics. DJs across 2 floors will be Dozer, Tony B, Spindle, Zith, DJ Shy, Player, Noxy, Blazin' D-Light, AC, Lex, Nut Nut, MC DT, Maxi Grooves, Nicky Blunt, Rich Wiggly, Flyer and Ricochet. MCs across both decks will be Nugsy, Johnny Banton, myself Miss Trouble and The Nasty. The voyage begins at 2 p.m. and we will be partying for 6 hours, so get to the dockside at 1:30 p.m. and don't be late, as the boat will set sail at precisely 2 p.m. On board we will have our own Don photo booth, so you can capture memories with your friends and favourite DJs. Merchandise giveaways and free CDs will be available. Tickets are available for £20 direct from the Don team or from fatsoma.com. Check out the Facebook event page for full details. So that's Sunday the 2nd of September, 2 p.m. Festival Pier, Lambeth, London, SE1 8XZ. See you on the dance floor. Brr.